Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to share the tag that I received from my swap partner, who is Lady J. Crafty 2016, and her name is Jackie. And so I received this cute tag from her today. I don't know where to start. I love it. She says she had wrote in the back, which is so sweet of her, um, that simple is best. And I'm like, girl, this is gorgeous. I love it. I love the colors. The paper she used in the background just fits to the theme. I just love everything that she added. There's a heart, there's a Christmas tree with a wreath at the top. Here's some gingies. Let me go from the top to the bottom. Holding a candy cane and a stocking. And she put all these beautiful bling on there. And look at the teddy bear. I love teddy bears. This one's really cute. I love this. I love this guy. And he's holding a present. She colored this doll up really nice, and it's shimmery. I don't know if I can get it in the, I think I did. There we go, there it is. Look how shimmery that is. She did a great job with the doll. She added a little puffy angel, and here it says ho ho, and I'm sure it says ho. This looks like a colored image that she added. It must be Mrs. Claus. And then a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and some presents on the bottom. So cute. I love what you did to the tag. Jacket's so cute. I love it. I love the little gingies. These are so cute. And I love how you put it. It isn't that simple to me. I think you did a great job in placing everything. I mean, I love it. So I want to thank everybody. Thank you so much, Jackie, for the tag. I so appreciate it. I love everything about it. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by. If you guys want to join in, you still have time. Next month, I believe it will be winter. So I'm trying to think of ideas for what I want to do for that tag. But you can join in at any time. You don't have to say you're going to join in. You just, if you have time to make it this month and you're done, you just send Donna an email saying, hey Donna, I want to participate this month. Here's my tag. And she will assign you a partner. And then you contact your partner and you swap addresses and then you send them out. Easy peasy, right? You do not have to do it every month. I'm hoping I have time in December to do mine. So I usually do mine pretty early, so I may have it done in time. So yeah, I'll have everybody's information down below, so you can go check them out. And yeah, I hope everybody had a great holiday, eating the turkey and all the dressings, um, and spending time with family is the most important thing. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.